to use the arithmetic operator. Let's start. What is arithmetic operator? These operators involve the mathematical operators that can be used to perform various simple or advanced arithmetic operations on the primitive data types, which is referred as the operands. These operators consist of various unary and binary operators that can be applied on a single or a two operands respectively. So, here are the different types of arithmetic operator. Plus signs, which is used to add two numbers, minus sign, which is used to subtract two numbers, multiplication sign is used to multiply two numbers, division sign is used to divide two numbers, and modulus sign is used as a divide two numbers and it returns a remainder value. Plus plus is an increment operator and minus minus is a decrement operator. Let's discuss about addition operator. The operator is a binary operator and is used to add two operands. And its syntax is num1 plus num2. For example, if num1 is equals to 10 and num2 is equals to 20, then sum is equals to num1 plus num2, that is equals to 30. Next is subtraction. This operator is a binary operator and is used to subtract two operands. And its syntax is num1 minus num2. It means that num1 should always be greater than num2. For example, if num1 is equals to 20 and num2 is equals to 2, then num2 is equals to 10, then subtract is equals to num1 minus num2 is equals to 10. Next is multiplication. This operator is a binary operator and is used to multiply two operands. And its syntax is num1 into num2. For example, num1 is equals to 20 and num2 is equals to 10. Therefore, mult is equals to num1 into num2, which is equals to 200. Next is division. This is a binary operator that is used to divide the first operand by the second operand and give the quotient as a result. And its syntax is num1 divided by num2. For example, num1 is equals to 20 and num2 is equals to 10. When we divide 20 by 10, it gives the answer 2 because 2 is a quotient. But if we want a remainder, not quotient, as my result, then what we do? Then we use modulus operator. This is a binary operator that is used to return the remainder when the first operand, that is dividend, is divided by the second operand, that is divisor. Syntax is equals to num1 modulus num2. For example, num1 is equals to 5, num2 is equals to 2. When I divide num1 modulus num2 is equals to 1, as it gives 1 as a remainder. The operator that acts as one operand. Unlike the previous operation, it is used to increment the value of an operation or an integer. It can be used in two ways. First one is post-increment operator. When it placed after the variable name, the value of the operand is increment, but the previous value is retained temporarily until the execution of this statement and it's get updated before the execution of the next statement. For example, sum num plus plus. Here num is equals to 5 and num plus plus is equals to 6. Next is pre-increment operator. When placed before the variable name, the operand's value is incremented instantly. For example, sum plus plus num. Here num is equals to 5 and plus plus num is 6. Here the value of num is increment by 1. Whether it is pre-increment operator or it is post-increment operator. Next is decrement. This is also a unary operator that acts on one operand. It is also used to determine the value of an integer. It can be used in two ways. First is post-decrement operator. When placed after the variable name, the value of the operand is decremented, but the previous value is retained temporarily until the execution of this statement and it's get updated before the execution of the next statement. For example, and its syntax is num minus minus. For example, num is equals to 5, then num minus minus equals to 4. As we all know that decrement operator also works on one operand. Here plus minus minus means that it is decremented by 1 only. Next is pre-decrement operator. When placed before the variable name, the operand's value is decremented instantly. For example, syntax minus minus num is equals to 5 and minus minus num is equals to 4. So these are the arithmetic operators and its uses. Thank you.